Did you know that with just a few ripe peaches and a pot of fragrant tea, today I'll make a really refreshing pot of peach tea for the whole family? I'm going to the market too early, Auntie. Yes, buy some delicious peaches, dear. I will. The peaches are so beautiful this year. Thank you, they just arrived. Please let me choose the most fragrant ones, ma'am. These peaches are both beautiful and fragrant. Give me 2 kilos, please.
2 kilos it is.
Perfect, thank you. Please give me a mild, fragrant tea. This one is perfect for you. The tea smells so good. Pure honey should be like this. I'll take one of these. These lemons are very juicy. I will take them. The mint smells so good. Give me a large bag of ice. Rock sugar will have a more delicate sweetness. I have all the ingredients now. This glass is so beautiful. Let's go home. The whole family is waiting. The atmosphere in my hometown is so pleasant. Let's start preparing. Everything is ready? Let's start making peach tea. Chào các bạn, hôm nay chúng ta sẽ làm món mứt đào. The peaches must be really clean to taste good. Scrub gently to keep the skin beautiful. Let the peaches dry a little. Drying them will make them easier to cut. A perfectly ripe peach will separate very easily. You have to keep the peach slices beautiful. Even slices will look nicer. The peach is still very fresh. Now let's make the sugar syrup. Rock sugar creates a delicate sweetness. A little lemon will keep the color beautiful. Don't let the water boil too vigorously. Stir gently so the peaches don't get crushed. Low heat will make the peaches crispier and tastier. Remember to stir gently. See how the color is changing to a beautiful golden orange? Perfect. Let it cool completely. It will taste better after soaking for a few hours. Now let's make tea. Now let's make tea. The tea smells so good. Once the tea steeps, I'll make a refreshing iced peach tea. Màu trà thật đẹp. Filter thoroughly to make the tea really clear. It will taste better if it cools down a bit. The pickled peach liquid is the secret to its flavor. The peach aroma is starting to spread. The sweetness is very delicate. Adding a little more honey will make it more fragrant. Just a few drops. The tea's color is so beautiful. The ice is ready. Hi there. We're introducing a new feature where I can read this aloud in a natural, human-like voice. Cooling it down quickly makes the tea more fragrant. The glass must be perfectly clear. Just enough ice. The peaches must stand out. It looks beautiful. The colors are so appealing. Đơn giản nhưng đẹp mắt. It's perfect. This peach tea is so beautiful. Please enjoy the peach tea, everyone. It would look better with the glass here. A glass has to be really clean to be appealing. This peach slice is perfect. One more piece would be perfect. A little mint would make it more fragrant. The lemon scent is really nice. Just stir gently. The tea is so clear. Just looking at it makes me feel refreshed. Sweet and fragrant. The ice is just right. Perfecting every detail. The bamboo coaster is perfect. Add a little more decoration. It looks much cooler now. This light is beautiful. Let's make more for everyone. Every glass must taste equally good. Bring it in for everyone. Family, the peach tea is ready. I brought the peach tea in. Oh, wonderful. Thank you, dear. Looks delicious. Look how beautiful the tea is. The tea is a beautiful color. It smells so sweet. It looks so refreshing. Just looking at it is refreshing. There are so many peaches, sister.
Yes, they are.
Would you like to try one? Eat more peaches. Enjoy your meal, everyone. Enjoy your meal, everyone. Enjoy your meal, everyone. It's so sweet and refreshing.
And the freshing. Hi.
You made it perfectly. The flavor of tea, peach, and honey is perfectly balanced. The peach is still crisp and delicious. This tea is wonderful in the summer. It tastes better than soda. No, it's like a peach dream. The peaches today were very well chosen.
Yes, they look perfect, Father.
Remember how heavy the bag was? Cháu rót thêm cho ông nhé.
Cảm ơn cháu.
Thank you, my dear. Eat slowly, children. The atmosphere in our hometown is so pleasant. It's truly beautiful. This peach tea is amazing.
This peach tea is amazing.
This peach tea is amazing. Today's tea was truly refreshing.
Yes, it was wonderful.
So delicious. Have another piece of peach, dear. This peach slice is so delicious. Who wants more tea? Each person should have some peaches. What a peaceful morning! Absolutely, grandfather. It's beautiful. Drink slowly, child. Giggle. The tea tastes so mild. It has the perfect blend of peach and tea aromas. I remember when you children were little,
It was always an adventure going to the market.
and we always had to haggle for the best mangosteens. I like peach tea the most. It's as beautiful as in a fancy restaurant. I know, isn't it wonderful? Thank you so much. You're welcome. Make another one next time.
I will.
Let's go out and admire the garden.
Look at the flowers.
So beautiful, Grandmother. Nothing beats being in the countryside. You're right, Grandpa. It's so cool. It's good that everyone enjoyed it. Chúc cả nhà sức khỏe.
Chúc cả nhà sức khỏe.
Chúc cả nhà sức khỏe. Happiness is sometimes as simple as a glass of cool peach tea with family. A glass of peach tea and house connecting love, preserving peaceful moments with family.